Hi, this is Jonny Cowtool, and this is what's in my bag. I hope that you'll get to know me better based on what's in my ridiculously overstuffed bag. So first off, we have my jar of water. This is... oh, there's something floating in it. I think it's probably ash though, that's okay to drink. This is life-giving, and I take it everywhere with me where I go, every time. I'll put this on the table here. I have a lot of trash in my bag because I'm a bit of a young nightmare child. I carry a lot of this with me to remind me about things, and this is... oh wow, this one isn't even trash. This is antibacterial gauze pads. It kills bacteria like staph and MRSA. This is for cleaning wounds or use as a dressing. This is in case I encounter any trouble on the road. Next, we have a big bottle of ibuprofen, but what's in it isn't ibuprofen. My hands are so shaky. As you can see, there's a couple types of pills in there. You know, I have this trash ethos of reusing things. Next, I have some Hall's cough drops. This is for when it's nippy outside and I just can't stop coughing. Now, the reason my hands are so shaky is because I'm feeling a bit peckish. And when that's the case, it's okay because I'm prepared. So, first off, I have my sardines. These are sardines with pickled lemon, also known as sardines au citron confit. You can see a big lady sardine getting arrested by a policeman and a nun. And because I keep my snacks with me, I always keep a fork with me too. So we're gonna try these. These are made in France, and hopefully it'll sate my appetite. Wow. Oh, I don't want to spill the oil. Let's take a big, nice bite of this. Just like Mama used to make. Sardines are nice because you don't have to spit out the bones. This makes me so happy. That bite was a little slimier than the other ones. Oh, like mushy. My hands are so shaky, it's hard not to drop the fish. Where's Mama with the choo-choo train when you need her? I'll have to replenish because all my snacks are all gone now. Alright. So, naturally, after you have a nice snack, you need a smoke. So I have my carton on me. And my lighter. I've been using a different lighter, but I finally dug my old classic out of Donnie's chair. It had been stuck in there for months. After that, we have our gun. This is a Smith & Wesson Chief Special. It's a nice small frame for a nice small person like me. It's chambered in .38 Special. And this is good for, you know, if I get a little scared at night. I feel more protected. You know? Okay, we're going.
Yeah, next one.
Oops, I told a little fib. I actually have one more snack in here. Some nice almonds. And like I said with my trash ethos, this package is not the same package that these almonds originally came in. This is a collection of different types of almonds that I find or am gifted, and they're all mixed together, and I just keep refilling it. So you see there's a normal raw almond, and next to it there's a blanched almond. So I'm fitting with my trash ethos. I just keep refilling this, and in turn it keeps refilling me. For the next item, we have some knuckle and fingertip flexible fabric butterfly bandages. These are also antibacterial. And I just want to help people. I want to help bandage up their boo-boos, or if, God forbid, I get hurt, I'll be all right. After that, this is for when I have no money at all. I keep jars of loose tobacco, and if I find some paper or something, I can roll it up. If I find a pipe or make a pipe, I can smoke it that way. And if worst comes to worst, I can make a little hole in my hand, and you know, do that sort of maneuver, and it works well for me. I'll put this right here next to the other jar. Cut. Now, nextly, we have the shark. When we finished the dungeon, Donnie took me to Outback to celebrate, and I always get the shark drink when I'm there. You mix the red and the blue, and it looks like a nice summer's day. Well, I guess not too nice. Well, I like this. I'll put it on top of the jar there. I have a glove, but I always forget to bring the left-hand glove. But this is for when it gets a little nippy out, as it is today. I have more pain relievers, because sometimes it hurts, you know. Next, I have a beer. I don't even drink these. I think these are yucky. I prefer the shark drink from Outback, personally. This is just for if I come across someone who wants one, you know. I like to be a helper. I like helping them out. Next, I have some more lighters. These are Minecraft lighters I made. You see, this one has a tree and some diamonds, and an Enderman and some diamonds, and there's the green top right there, you see. And this one's got Minecraft pigs all over it, the stickers, and then these little tiny pigs up here, the piggy faces. And the reason I have those is because I like to keep a candle with me too. Really just for those dark nights when I'm all alone. I'll only light one of the wicks. This is a nice tri-wick. Excuse me, I almost had a little spit up there. This is my hanky. It's got peanut butter and jelly on it. This is for nippy days like today when I need to blow my trumpet frequently. And also, it's nice to be able to offer that to people sometimes. Oh, this is my Daffy. He's my little buddy. I got him at the mall. Check it out. He's full of Pez. I keep lying. I guess I do have more snacks in my bag. We can keep that. It's good. Oh, I forgot about this. This is one of my teeth. Here, let me take it out for you. This was my favorite tooth. This is 100% my favorite tooth. But it fell out. Right here, see? See that gap? It's still got some blood or some brown stuff on it. Here's the bottom. And here's the top. And here is it for size. I'll put it back in this bag to protect it because I don't want to lose my favorite tooth. We have a bag of... This is a bag of Tums. This is for when my belly gets a little fiery and upset after my snacks. And I think we have some more Advil in there too. But my tummy's feeling good right now, so I won't demonstrate or show you. These are my nails. I have 3 different sizes, really long, really short, and medium size. Now, I like to keep these around in case I ever have to build anything, whether it's a table or a shelter, or to help make the campfire more structurally sound, but I always forget to bring my hammer with me. So silly. Oh, my stars and garters, how could I forget? This is my wallet. Here's my license. Get it out for you, it's a little sticky. As you can see, it says, I can drive now. This is a Metro Pass. This is for when I have to ride the big, busy trains. And that's about all I'd like to get into with my... Oh, a dentist reminder. So this is for next Friday, I believe, December 12th. At 12:20. This is actually to get my tooth replaced. Oh, how could I forget? My Doobie Brothers guitar pick. It's signed by John McPhee. This is really just a talisman to make me feel lucky. This is my favorite movie. This is Baby Huey Volume 1. You got Baby Huey, and you got Huey Louie Dewey. This is good. I've had this since I was knee-high to a grasshopper. Oh. Oh, heavens to Betsy. All my stuff just falling all around. There's the back. The inside. There's not much of a spine left. Okay, cut. Now, my bag's almost empty, guys. My last item is my good old cast iron. Some stuff in it. My good old cast iron. This is for cooking. And, you know, it gets a lot of use. Alright guys, well, as you see, the bag's all empty. And it's been a mighty pleasure having you guys with me today. I hope you got to know me more based on my bag. Please forgive I'm part Colombian and part Puerto Rican. So if my accent comes through at all, it's 100% genuine. I'm not being extra. Really, that's it. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked me. I'm glad you're my fans. Please like and subscribe and give me all the best comments you can. Have a nice night, everyone. Goodbye.